The average human attention span is now 8 seconds, less than that of a goldfish with 9. Isn't that crazy? Marketing in the 21st century has changed beyond recognition. People are bombarded with ads literally in every waking hour. If you like to win in the battle for attention and discover how you can create content that stops the scroll and keeps your distracted audience engaged from start to finish, regardless if it's for your ads, posts, or presentations, then you're at the right place. I am L. Wong, and as an entrepreneur who has launched multiple successful offers online, I'll be sharing with you this one technique that you can use to grab and maintain the attention of your audience to get more clicks and conversions. Right now, you're probably stressed out with more and more competition pivoting into the digital space. Maybe you feel like you spent a lot of time creating this amazing piece of content only to get disappointed with little results. By the end of this video, you will discover how you can finally stand out, increase engagement, and as a result, get more leads and sales on any platform. You see, when it comes to marketing in the 21st century, attention is the most valuable commodity in the world. Consider this for a moment. How many times have you scrolled past an ad or gotten sidetracked in the middle of a task? Probably one too many, right? So, what does this mean? It means to combat this, you need to apply this one simple technique to gain and regain your audience focus so that you can grab their attention away from what they're doing and, more importantly, retain their interest with you till the end. To accomplish this, you can integrate what we call pattern interrupts throughout your entire presentation, which is any visual change that hooks, sparks, and refocuses your viewer's attention. While there are many ways to do this, one of them which has been proven to attract, engage, and convert is the use of doodle visuals. Because the nature of doodles are expressive and full of emotions, they are entertaining and compelling to consume. But the problem is, creating doodles is extremely difficult and requires great talent to do so. It's also really costly to hire professional artists to get them drawn. Not to mention the time-stealing hassles you have to go through just briefing and reviewing the details of their artwork. It can be totally overwhelming. If right now you want to create powerful doodle content that helps you to generate new leads, get more clients, make more profits, and win in your marketplace quickly and easily, I have great news. Welcome to Doodle Stanza. Doodle Stanza comes with a massive library of over 32 doodle sets and 2,700 professionally hand-drawn characters, props, elements, and backgrounds, all of which you can preview in detail below. Whether you need to create scroll-stopping content in the health, wealth, or relationship market, this extensive bundle gives you the flexibility to express yourself in just about every way to get your audience excited and deeply connected to your offer. Each hand-drawn item comes in 2 art styles, black and white and full color, so that you can set the perfect theme in all your projects. Transparent PNG and SVG formats are included, which are 100% compatible with any platform or software of your choice, so that you can use them with absolute confidence. And because these doodles are vector-based, you can scale your doodles infinitely without losing quality and change color with total ease for personalization. With Doodle Stanza, there are so many promotional usage for maximum engagement. Doodles can be used in your sales videos, ad traffic campaigns, social media posts, print projects, PowerPoint or keynote presentations, educational video trainings, email marketing, brand avatars, and so much more. There are endless possibilities which are entirely up to your creativity. Now take a look at some of these case studies. These high-performing posts do an incredible job with engagement. And one thing in common is the use of doodles to stop the scroll and captivate the audience with storytelling. So start using doodles in your marketing and watch your results transform. All the hard work has been done for you. Order now and log into your members area to get instant access to all the doodles you need to craft powerful and high converting content. You'll want to act now because with Doodle Stanza, you'll have the unfair advantage to stand out in the crowd. You get all the doodle assets and the ability to fire up unlimited projects for just one amazingly low price. And because everything is backed by our total satisfaction money back guarantee, it means there's no better time like the present to join us. This special price you're seeing today will be available for a limited time only. Because you're here first, you get the best deal, the best value, and you get an amazing head start. Hit the order button now, and soon you'll be seeing the results you deserve by using doodles in your business. Don't get left behind, and I'll see you on the inside.